Hi everyone, Vic here from The Cabinet Spot. Welcome to episode 2. Today we're going to talk about RTA cabinets versus custom cabinets. Last week we covered the history of RTA cabinetry and where they came from. If you haven't watched that video, we have a link for you below. So making a choice between RTA and custom cabinets can be tricky. You might think the primary difference between the two is quality, which is a big misconception, but it's much more than that. Of course, the delivery of the cabinets is different. Custom cabinets are delivered already assembled, fabricated from the manufacturer, and ready to be installed right out the box. Custom cabinets require no assembly from the buyer. Everything is finished along with the drawers and hardware parts. Ready to assemble cabinets are delivered unassembled, or what is commonly known as flat pack. RTA cabinets need assembling, which requires you to build them in your home after the delivery. A bit of DIY knowledge is necessary when you order the RTA cabinets, but you will save money without sacrificing quality. Well, how do we make a choice between RTA cabinets and custom cabinets? The first thing everyone thinks about, obviously when you're remodeling your kitchen, is cost. For custom cabinets, the price usually runs anywhere from $6,000 for the most basic materials up to $25,000 or more, depending on the extras you might want to add to your cabinet design. Today, most RTA cabinets can be ordered in a number of styles without the heavy price tag. RTA kitchen cabinets have been around for some time now, and due to manufacturing improvements during the last 10 years, the quality of the cabinets have been on par with the best kitchen cabinets you can find on the market today. The main advantage of RTA kitchen cabinets is the cost. With ready-to-assemble cabinets, you can select the quality you desire, whether it's a bargain price material or more expensive texture. No matter the quality of the finish, when choosing RTA over custom, you are saving a huge amount of money. If you were to purchase the identical type of kitchen cabinets already assembled or in a custom manufactured form, you're going to have to pay much more, at least double or triple the price. Due to superior quality to price equation, when you choose ready to assemble cabinets, you will more than likely be able to afford a higher quality cabinets than if you were to purchase custom cabinets because the cost is less. Overall, you're getting a better quality cabinet for less money. Another advantage of RTA kitchen cabinets is the ease of assembly. Even if you have only minimal DIY experience, you can have your new kitchen cabinets installed within a short amount of time. In most cases, your RTA cabinets will come with a high quality hardware, pre-drilled holes, and with brackets and hinges already attached to the cabinet sides and doors. In order to put the cabinets together, you will basically need simple tools like a screwdriver, maybe a rubber mallet to get started. Quality RTA cabinets will usually have all wood box construction. This is very beneficial as RTA cabinets are long wearing and as strong as custom made kitchen cabinets. What's more, because RTA cabinets are delivered disassembled, there's minimal chance of damage taking place during the shipping. Well, Vic, that all sounds great, but what are the disadvantages of RTA kitchen cabinets? I'm glad you asked. Even though RTA kitchen cabinets are less expensive than custom designed cabinets, it's not all smooth sailing. First of all, you have to put some effort when you're ordering disassembled cabinets. Even though most manufacturers of RTA cabinets have made assembly very simple, it will probably take you roughly half an hour or more to put the first cabinet together. After the experience of putting the first cabinet together, things will move along a little faster with the rest of the cabinets as you will know what to do. You will also need to have pre-planned layout or blueprint of where you want your cabinets to go. You will need to make sure that you are putting each piece in its proper place. There is also a possibility that you could damage the finish on the cabinets while putting them together. However, if you follow the instructions carefully, you should be able to prevent any mishaps. Now, let's talk about custom cabinets. The main advantage when purchasing custom kitchen cabinets, they are already assembled when delivered, and installation process is basically straightforward. All it takes is a bit of a know-how by either you or an installer. The installation can begin immediately as there's no need for assembly. The disadvantage of custom cabinets is the cost. Manufacturers add huge markups on materials, especially the doors and the finish. Plus they add on labor costs for assembling the cabinets for you. Then there's the shipping that really hikes up the price. Custom cabinets need more space because they can't be shipped in flat boxes. This increases the cost and makes them much higher than RTA cabinet. Another thing, custom kitchen cabinets usually take a few weeks to several months longer to arrive than RTA cabinets. So if you need your cabinets fast, this is something you need to consider. When shopping for cabinetry, you have to keep in mind the important differences. As you can see, there's advantages and disadvantages for both RTA kitchen cabinets and custom cabinets. Contemplating the choice between cost, quickness of delivery, and personal labor, you should be able to make the better choice for your home. You will probably, like most, due to economy and other factors affecting finance at the moment, choose to go with the most practical cabinet style that will help you cut costs but not scrimp on quality. I'm sure you're probably aware that not too many things can offer a great return on your investment like a kitchen renovation. You will always want the very best cabinets your money can buy. Well, fortunately, you can find an attractive set of kitchen cabinets for your kitchen without breaking the bank. There is no reason why you should not be able to have the kitchen cabinets you desire and create your dream kitchen. No matter which way you change the equation, RTA kitchen cabinets come out on top. You just can't lose. Make sure to do your homework and purchase your kitchen cabinets from the best company you can find. This way you are guaranteed a perfect product with all the features and aspects you have been hoping for. When it's time to renovate your kitchen, go RTA. You will not regret it. So that's it for this episode. I hope I was informative for you. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave it below. If you have a question you want right away answered, just send us a tweet at CabinetSpot and don't forget to put hashtag AskCabinetSpot. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos. Thanks again for joining us, and I will see you in the next video.